First of all, we need to set our calculator onto stat mode first. So we press mode, and then we go to option 2, that is stat mode. Okay, so press 2, and then we use option 1 because it's only one variable. So press 1. So there you go. Now, if your calculator doesn't have the frequency column, it doesn't really matter, okay? So we just enter the score as per normal, and we do not need to rearrange the scores because calculator will do it for us, okay? So we just go 12, and we press enter, 9, enter, 8, enter, 23, enter, 12, and enter, 27, enter, 18, enter, 15, enter, 18, enter. Now what we need to do is we need to clear the screen. To clear the screen, we press IC. Now if you don't clear the screen, what happened? Let's see what happened. Okay, so if you press shift 1, so this means that you have this option here. This is not what we want. Okay, so please keep that in mind. So first step is we need to clear the screen first. So we need to press IC button. This IC button first before we press shift option 1. Okay, so let me just press IC button, that is clear the screen, and it go back to at the beginning. So what I do, I clear the screen again. So we clear the screen, we press shift, and then we go 1, and then we go for option 5, min and max. So that will give us the median or lower quartile, upper quartile, and this will give us the median on option 4. So if we press 4, so there you go, the median is 15. So if we use calculator, we do not need to rearrange the score. Okay, so thank you.